Have you ever wondered how some YouTubers make thousands of dollars a day? What if I told you there's a secret formula that could turn your views into serious cash? Hey there, fellow creators. Today, we're diving into the world of YouTube money-making magic. I'm about to share a strategy that could have you earning $5,000 a day from your videos. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the keys to unlock your YouTube earning potential. The power of YouTube monetization. YouTube is like a big playground where people come to watch fun and interesting videos. But did you know that it's also a place where you can make money? Yes, that's right. YouTube shows ads on videos, and when people watch those ads, the video makers can earn money. It's like getting paid to share your cool ideas with the world. Now you might be thinking, that sounds awesome. But how do I start making money? Well, first, you need to join something called the YouTube Partner Program. To do this, you need two things: 4,000 hours of people watching your videos and 1,000 subscribers. Once you have these, YouTube will start paying you a part of the money they make from the ads on your videos. Understanding RPM and CPM. Let's talk about some important words that will help you understand how much money you can make. There's something called RPM, which stands for revenue per mil. Mil means thousand, so RPM is how much money you make for every 1,000 views on your videos. Most channels make between $1 and $30 for every 1,000 views. On average, channels make about $15.50 per 1,000 views. But don't worry if you make less at first. Many channels only make $5 to $10 per 1,000 views when they're starting. Another word you'll hear is CPM, which means cost per mil. This is how much advertisers pay to show their ads. When we talk about making money on YouTube, we usually mean RPM, which is the money you get to keep. High-paying niches. Now, here's a cool trick to make more money. You can make videos about topics that advertisers really like. These topics are called high RPM niches. For example, big companies like Apple love to put their ads on technology videos, and travel companies like Expedia put their ads on videos about exciting places to visit. Some of the best topics to make videos about if you want to earn more money are money and finance, how to make money online, cool technology, health tips, how to invest, travel adventures, legal stuff, insurance info, makeup tutorials, marketing tricks, houses and real estate, awesome cars, movie reviews, and how-to guides for making things. If you make videos about these topics, you might earn more money for each view you get. The secret to longer videos. Want to know another secret to make more money? Make your videos longer than 8 minutes. When your video is over 8 minutes long, you can add more ads in the middle of it. This means more chances for people to see ads and more money for you. To do this, go to your YouTube studio, click on Content, and then choose one of your videos. If you're part of the YouTube Partner Program, you'll see a Monetization tab. Click on that, and you can add more ad breaks to your longer videos. But remember, don't just make your videos long for no reason. Make sure you're giving people lots of cool and interesting information or fun entertainment. If your video is boring, people might stop watching, and that's not good for anyone. The digital product goldmine. Now, here's the really exciting part. The secret that can help you make way more than $30 per 1,000 views. Are you ready? It's all about selling your digital products. This is how some YouTubers make hundreds of dollars for every 1,000 views they get. What's a digital product? It's something you create that people can buy and download from the internet. It could be an awesome course that teaches people something cool, an ebook full of your best tips, or even a fun app. When you make videos, you can tell people about your digital product. If they like your videos, they might want to buy your product too. For example, if you make videos about how to play the guitar, you could sell a digital guitar lesson course. Or if you make funny cartoon videos, you could sell a guide on how to draw cartoons. The possibilities are endless. Real examples of YouTube earnings. Let's look at some real YouTube channels to see how much money they might be making. There's a channel called Chills that makes scary videos. They get about 6.5 million views per month. If we do some math, assuming they make about $3 per 1,000 views, which is typical for their type of content, they could be earning around $20,000 per month just from ads. Then there's a channel called New Money that talks about investing and finance. They get about 1.9 million views per month. But because they're in a high-paying niche, they might be making $20 to $30 per thousand views. That means they could be earning $39,000 or more per month. And here's a mind-blowing example. A technology channel called TechZone gets a whopping 46 million views per month. If they're making about $10 per thousand views, that adds up to nearly $500,000 per month. Can you believe it? Your YouTube journey starts now. So, how can you start your journey to making $5,000 a day on YouTube? Here's what you need to do. First, pick a topic you're passionate about. It's important to choose something you enjoy because you'll be making lots of videos about it. If possible, try to choose a topic that's in one of those high-paying niches we talked about earlier. Next, start creating videos consistently. Don't worry if they're not perfect at first. Everyone starts somewhere. Focus on providing value to your viewers, whether that's by teaching them something new or entertaining them. As you're building your channel, start thinking about a digital product you could create. What special knowledge or skills do you have that others might want to learn? This could be your ticket to making the big bucks. Remember, reaching 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers is your first big goal. Once you hit that, you can join the YouTube Partner Program and start earning money from ads. But don't stop there. Keep growing your channel and working on your digital product. The YouTube Success Mindset. Now, I want to talk about something really important: your mindset. Making money on YouTube isn't just about following a formula. It's about believing in yourself and your content. You need to have patience and persistence. Success doesn't happen overnight, but if you keep at it, amazing things can happen. Remember, every big YouTuber started with 0 subscribers. They all had to make their first video, just like you. The difference is, they didn't give up. They kept learning, improving, and creating, even when things got tough. So don't get discouraged if your first videos don't go viral or if you're not making much money at first. Keep focusing on creating great content and connecting with your audience. The money will follow if you stay committed and keep improving. Balancing creativity and business. As you start making money on YouTube, it's important to find a balance between your creative side and your business side. Yes, you want to make money, but you also want to stay true to yourself and your audience. Don't just chase trends or make videos you think will make money if they don't align with your channel's purpose. Your viewers can tell when you're not being authentic, and that can hurt your channel in the long run. Instead, focus on creating content you're proud of. Think about how you can provide more value to your viewers. Can you make your videos more helpful, more entertaining, or more inspiring? The more value you provide, the more loyal your audience will become, and the more successful your channel will be. Wow, we've covered a lot today. From understanding RPM and CPM to discovering high-paying niches and the power of digital products. You now know how to start your journey towards YouTube success. Remember, every big YouTuber started exactly where you are now. So why not you? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button. It helps the channel grow. And if you want more awesome tips on making money on YouTube, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep creating, keep learning, and keep growing your YouTube empire.